Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to set up vendors in QuickBooks Online. First, navigate to the Expenses menu on the left sidebar and select Vendors. This is your central hub for managing all vendor relationships. From here, you can easily add new vendors, edit existing ones, and view their transaction history. We'll cover the key details needed to ensure accurate record keeping and streamline your payment processes, making your financial management much smoother. Once you click New Vendor, a window will pop up for you to enter their details. Start with the vendor's name, which is crucial for identification. Then, add their contact person and email address for easy communication. Don't forget to include their billing address and phone number. If you have an account number with them, enter it here. This helps track specific transactions and ensures accurate payment allocation. This step is vital for complete and organized records. Next, let's focus on payment and tax information. You'll want to set the default payment terms, such as net 30 or due on receipt, to automate invoice due dates. Crucially, enter the vendor's tax identification number, or TIN, if they are a business. If the vendor is an individual or sole proprietor and you pay them over $600 annually for services, mark them as eligible for 1099 forms. This ensures compliance with tax regulations. Before you click Save, take a moment to review all the information you've entered. Double-checking ensures accuracy and prevents future headaches. Once you're confident, click Save to add the new vendor to your QuickBooks Online account. You can always return to the vendors list to make edits, update contact information, or view a comprehensive history of all transactions with that specific vendor. This keeps your vendor management efficient and up to date.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.